If you're looking to automate your sales prospecting and take your lead generation to the next level, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into how to use Browse AI for sales prospecting, making it easy to collect valuable data and automate the process without needing to lift a finger. And stick around, because at the end of this video, I'll share how you can get an extended, exclusive free trial of Browse AI. Sales prospecting can be one of the most time-consuming parts of the sales process. But with Browse AI, you can automate it in just a few simple steps, saving yourself hours of manual work. So, what exactly is Browse AI? It's a tool that uses artificial intelligence to scrape data from websites and turn that data into usable insights. This is perfect for sales teams or individual marketers who need to find contact information, monitor competitor activities, or gather information from specific web pages for targeted outreach. With Browse AI, you don't need coding skills. It allows you to set up simple browsers that can go out and scrape the web for you. You just need to select what kind of data you need, and Browse AI will automatically pull it from websites in real time. This could be anything from emails and phone numbers to job titles or social media links, all relevant to your sales goals. But here's where it gets even better. Browse AI doesn't just help you gather this data. It can organize it, making it easy to track, analyze, and act on. You can set up automated workflows to send emails, sync data with your CRM, and update your prospect lists. This means no more hunting down contacts manually or worrying about missing opportunities. Now, you're probably thinking this sounds like something for bigger businesses, right? Not true. Browse AI is designed to scale with your needs, whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a small business, or part of a large team. It's flexible, and you can customize it based on what fits your business the best. Whether you're scraping contact info from directories or gathering insights from job boards to find decision makers, Browse AI streamlines it all. It's also worth mentioning that Browse AI is incredibly easy to set up. You don't need any technical experience. The platform offers step-by-step tutorials that walk you through setting up your first browser, and they have a highly responsive support team to help you with any questions you may have along the way. But what's really special about Browse AI is its ability to automate repetitive tasks. Imagine never having to go back to the same websites over and over, manually copying and pasting data. Instead, Browse AI continuously works in the background, pulling the most relevant, up-to-date information for you, all without any effort on your part. To get started with Browse AI, simply visit the link below to access your free trial with exclusive bonuses. I highly recommend trying it out for yourself because this is a game changer for anyone in sales or marketing. It will completely transform how you prospect and save you countless hours. In summary, Browse AI helps you automate sales prospecting by scraping the web for valuable data, organizing it, and integrating it into your sales processes seamlessly. The best part? It's easy to use, highly customizable, and scalable to fit any business size. And don't forget, you can start using Browse AI today with an exclusive extended free trial by clicking the link below. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to check out that free trial.